Good morning, guys, and welcome back. Thank you for tuning in, by the way. Today I do have this 2019 Kia Sorento with the V6 engine in it, and the vehicle is here for a transmission concern. So I scanned the vehicle to begin with, but I could not retrieve any code, so I decided to take it for a test drive. For the first 2 to 3 miles of test driving it, I don't feel any problem. The engine is fine, the transmission is fine, so I do have this recorded data page while I'm doing my test drive, and I noticed that for the first, I pay attention to a shift lever switch and a current gear and the next position. I'm driving and I'm in the gear number 3. So if I'm gonna go play this, if you guys pay attention on current gear and next gear position, they seem normal to me. So I decided to take it for uphill incline. Let me just reset that one, and here's what I found. So I have also recorded a misfire on my current data, and I'm just driving it normal. I didn't floor the gas pedal or anything like that, but around here you will see a misfire. There you go. Ooh, that's a lot. So I am misfiring on cylinder number 2, cylinder number 4, and cylinder number 6. There you go. They're like misfiring. And cylinder number 2 is this guy. Next to it it's 4, and next to it it's 6. So I scanned the vehicle and I have this his or pending code, which is misfire on 2, 4, and 6, random multiple cylinder misfire, and this guy right here, the fuel rail system pressure too high. So I had this problem like a couple months ago, and I spent a lot of time figuring out, and I ended up replacing this high pressure fuel pump, and then it did fix the problem. So let's go ahead and replace that guy.